Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel because you don't have the right tools? Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful tools every YouTuber must have in 2025. Be it a beginner, be it a pro in YouTube, you need these apps. These apps will literally help you create professional videos, design eye-catchy thumbnails, edit with ease, and manage your YouTube channel like a pro. And here is the best part of this video. Please don't miss it. Stick with me till the end because I will review a bonus app that can literally help you get more views on your video by unlocking what people are searching on YouTube. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Our first application is Open Camera. I know a lot of you have heard about Open Camera, but today I want to tell you that your camera of your phone is good, but Open Camera gives you access that you can control the brightness, you can control the quality, you can do a video in HD and also in 4K, and you can control the focus. This app is literally free for Android users and Apple users. This app will make your videos to look more professional without buying any expensive camera. This is my top recommendation for every YouTuber. Be it a beginner who wants sharp and clean video quality, I recommend this app to you. The second application that you need is your YouTube Studio. I know a lot of you don't know that in YouTube Studio, you have a lot of features there. You can change your thumbnail at any time. You can change your title at any time, your description at any time. You can publish your video. You can unlist your video. You can private your video. You can delete your video in your YouTube Studio. Let your YouTube Studio be the app you visit every day. Visit your YouTube Studio every day as a content creator and as a YouTuber. In your YouTube Studio, you get to track your analytics. You track the behavior of your viewers, the behavior of your subscriber, what they are watching. And in your YouTube Studio, you also have this feature that YouTube have added. It's called Trend. There you can get to know what your viewers are interested in, and you can create content related to what your trend is. So in YouTube Studio, you monitor your community, monitor your content, monitor your channel, and you connect with your audience on a go every time, everywhere you are in your YouTube Studio. You reply to your comments in your YouTube Studio. Now, the number 3 app we need is called Canva. With Canva, you can design your thumbnail. A lot of YouTubers, they spend 2 hours, 3 hours recording a video, but at the end of it, they spend 2 minutes in designing their thumbnail, of which your thumbnail is the first impression that a viewer will have before clicking. It's like a door to your view. It's like a door to your growth. If your thumbnail is not good, a lot of people will scroll past your content, of which you have something inside that can change their lives. Your thumbnail should stop people scrolling on YouTube. And Canva has made to use templates. It's just a drag and drop. It's very easy to use. It's beginner friendly. It's not complicated like other ones like Photoshop, InDesign, all those other designing software. Canva is very simple, straightforward. If you have watched this video up to this time, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that anytime I drop something like this, you will be the first to know. The number 4 application is InShot. I love InShot so much because it is beginner friendly and most of its features are free. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. I know there are a lot of video editing software out there like CapCut, Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro. I prefer InShot because InShot is beginner friendly, easy to use, and it works in any device. Any device. You can definitely use it very well with your phone. If you are one who is looking for an editing software to use with your phone, you are editing most of your videos with your phone, then this InShot is for you. You can trim your clips, you can add text, transition, effects. Inside InShot, all those things are being done. All these softwares I'm telling you, I use them. The number 5 is what I call AZ screen recorder. Yes, if you watch this video here on how to create your YouTube channel with your phone, I use that application. If you are one who is into teaching, that you want to share your screen with someone, you want to show people your screen, then this application is for you. It screen records very well. Most of its features are free. It screen records with smooth video and audio. I call this number 6 app my YouTube assistant. Use this app to study, and this app is called ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT like your YouTube assistant. It helps you brainstorm those ideas, write script, create thumbnails, and even optimize description and tags. For you to stand out, you need this application. For you not to run out of videos ideas, you need this application. Instead of stressing on what to say or how to structure a video, ChatGPT will help you stay creative and productive. Remember, most of you who have watched this video up to this particular point, I made a promise that I will be sharing one bonus app. And if you have watched this video up to this moment, congratulations to you. You are going to see my secret weapon. And this app is nothing else but TagYou. I know a lot of you have heard about TagYou, but there are a couple of things this TagYou can do. A secret app for every YouTuber who wants more view. Here is why. When you upload a video, you need the right tags. You need the right keywords so that people can find your content. You cannot upload a video on YouTube growth and you go and look for a tag under entertainment. People will not find your content. So TagYou is there to show you exactly what viewers are typing into YouTube. If you go into TagYou, you type the title of your video and TagYou will give you exactly the keywords you need for your video. So you can add those keywords to your video and rank high. So those are the 6 must-have apps plus the bonus tool that can help you grow faster on YouTube in 2025. Which of these apps are you currently using, and which one will you try after watching this video? Let me know in the comment section. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Grow with Kevin, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video on YouTube growth strategies.